Man, big mess. You made a big mess. What do we have to do with the big mess? Ollie, what do you want to do with the big mess? Oliver, what do we do with the big mess? Huh? We use what? We use the hose on what? What is that? What is that? Is that your blue vacuum? Alright, can you get the hose out? Good job. Go ahead and turn it on, baby. Huh? Oh, can you turn it on and get the cereal first? Then we'll do it. We'll find. Hey, no. Where you going? The pretties go on rocks, baby. We gotta vacuum first. Hurry. Hurry, turn it on. Hurry. I'm gonna do it. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna do it. Ready? No, we're not doing the pretties, buddy. Come on. Ollie, no. Come on. Here I go. I'm gonna do it. I'm vacuuming for Oliver. Since Ollie don't want to vacuum after making a big mess. Ooh, Mommy's gonna get it all done. Meow, meow, meow. Vacuum, cereal, vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. Vacuum. Always big blue vacuum hose. And he is still hiding. Oh, there he is. You gonna come help? We can't do the pretties. Come here. Alright. Well, Mommy will do it. All gone. It's almost all done. Yay. Here I go. Almost all done. I'm gonna turn it off. Woo! Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum! Vacuum! Vacuum!